I got 300 lead for real estate agent in just 2 months. How I make this? This is the exact system I use to build my meta ads campaign. I will show you in this video. My name is Adel Muhammad. I am a digital marketing specialist. I help real estate agent, small business owner get more clients, get more leads, and close more deals. So let's go. Don't waste your time, and let's show you step-by-step guide to make this campaign works. So first thing, I choose a lead goal. Don't choose traffic, don't choose clicks, just choose this goal. You're telling Facebook, I don't want a clicker, I don't want to waste my time. I just want a real people who's actually wanna buy or sell a house. The second step is you choose the right audience. Most of people targeting everyone, and this is why the campaign fails. So you need to target the real people you want. Tie audience get more results and get better leads. So choose an allocation you work on, choose an interest in the real estate or home moving, and the important thing, choose the right age. Start with 25, bottom line until the 55. So let's move forward to step number 3, and you need to turn off the audience network. Facebook show your ads in games and unnecessary placements. So you pay money for this placement and you get hard clicks, or people just want to click on your ad but they click by accident. So why do this? Put your placement in Facebook feed, in Instagram feed, story, reels. This is the actual placement you need, not the trash on the audience network. So turn off audience network and choose your placement wisely. Step number 4, I write a clear offer. Clear offer, clear copy, a good graphic. Don't use anything. Don't use AI too much. Just give it some personal touch with your copy. Hey man, don't buy here. Contact me now. I will find you a good home. No, offer something. This copy. Offer something customizable in this city, in this state, new listed homes, a free evaluation, a budget. Consider a budget in your copy. This is make it work. Step number 5, when you talk about budget, set a testing budget. Small budget like $10 to $15 to test this ad. Don't start with 20, 25, and $50. No, that's not right. Test this ad for 3 days at least with a low budget like $10 to $15, and then judge it ad. Don't change it in these 3 days. The ad, you put a testing budget, you put an ad into 3 days test, then touch it. You act like you can't see it. Then you judge. If this ad bad, you kill it. If it's not bad, you keep it and scale it and add more budget. 10% every 3 days, not more, not less, to keep the performance like it is. So this is all about this video. If you want a free checklist, have all my tips and tricks, it's free. You can download it from the description. And subscribe to my channel, like, and give me a comment, and follow me on my social media. See you in the next video. Bye bye.